I hope you enjoy going along with us. If you like this content, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps our channel with the analytics. This reservoir is one of the numerous reservoirs that are on the Surin Royal Irrigation Project, and most of them were severely depleted due to the drought in the middle of the past year. As you can see, the water level here has come up very well. They had massive flooding. It's only been about a month ago or so, 2 months ago. So we were able to see it when it was filled back up. But this is a really nice recreation area for people to come to. As you'll see here in the video, there's a large area that is laid aside for camping and water sports, and there's also restaurants that prepare food and bring it to you in your little camp location. So I'll let you watch on and see what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah, we come here too. China, yeah. You can buy it. I sit in the like this too. China restaurant. Sit like this and eat food. Yeah, I went here with my friend. Her husband, ex-husband. When he came first time, I drove them here. This China restaurant. It looks like a resort, doesn't it?
Yeah. There's lots of them here.
Like a resort. I came here before.
See all these too.
Maybe 15 years ago.
There's a little bit more. So I know Dave rented one, but it seemed like they were out on the water, the one that he rented.
Something like this.
But it was out on the water where they could slide and jump into the water and play.
All different place. It's not Huai Saneng. The one like a new landmark. The one that Mark told us that we can go like a Nas Nong wife sales. She has like a small restaurant there and they flood everything. They have 2 or 3 places like that. And in one place, in P Chit house there, they have one place. You want to go this way and turn left, and you can go back. Huh?
Yeah.
You want to turn left. Go turn left.
Phone booth.
Huh?
Oh, phone booth. Yeah, this is kind of nice. You come out here and I assume you can swim in the water and anything.
Maybe have fish.
I'd like to thank you for watching our video today. We took you to drive through the reservoir area and all the campground sites. It shows there are a lot of things you can do around Surin, Thailand. If you like our content, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching today. This is Bobby and Jai out.